Hello and welcome. Show your gratitude this Thanksgiving with Hallmark Thanksgiving Cards for employees. A 10-pack of assorted appreciation greeting cards that come with envelopes and gold seals for a polished look. Each pack features 5 unique fall-themed designs with heartfelt messages recognizing the hard work of staff and volunteers. The cards measure 5 by 7 inches, arrive flat for easy storage, and are perfect for mailing or hand delivery. These cards are ideal for workplace recognition, helping businesses express seasonal thanks to their internal teams. Made from responsibly sourced cardstock in the USA, they offer premium quality while supporting eco-friendly practices. Celebrate the season by sending meaningful thanks that truly appreciate your team's contributions. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.